Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel TechTuber. Today I am here with new video to show you how you can order free product from the app Bangood. So let's start the video. So guys, first of all you have to download the Bangood app from the Play Store. I have already downloaded it. I think it is of 7 MB. Now open the app. You have to sign in by opening the app. I have already signed in with your email address. As you can see here, you have to collect some point for free product. Like I have choose Xiaomi Mi A1 and you have to share it on your Facebook for 20 points, 20 Bangood points. Now click on share. Here you have to put your Facebook ID. I have already put, so I'm going to click on post. After clicking on post, I got success, 20 point gain. I have gained 20 points. As you can see, I have 90 points. After that, if I'm going to order a earphone, like this, now click on buy now, choose your color. Now after that, scroll down and use the point which you have. As I have 70 points, so I get discount of 49 rupees. By this you can get discount by collecting the points. So thank you guys so much for watching this video.